Why cyber insurance is worth the investment. The rise of cyber attacks in the past decade has created an urgent need for businesses to reevaluate traditional risk management tools. For insurance agents, educating clients about cyber insurance has never been more critical. This script will equip you to effectively convey the importance of this vital coverage, addressing common objections, highlighting key benefits, and empowering you to position yourself as a trusted advisor in the digital age. In today's technology-driven world, cyber threats have become an unavoidable reality for businesses of all kinds. Cyber criminals constantly evolve their tactics, from ransomware attacks to data breaches, targeting businesses regardless of size or industry. While large corporations may make headlines, small to mid-sized businesses are often seen as easier targets due to limited cybersecurity resources. A single breach can result in severe financial losses, regulatory fines, or even force a company to shut its doors. If left unprotected, the risks can be catastrophic. This is why helping your clients understand the growing prevalence and impact of cyber attacks is the first step in emphasizing the importance of cyber insurance. Cyber insurance serves as a crucial financial safety net designed to help businesses recover from cyber incidents. When a business faces an attack, be it a ransomware demand, phishing scam, or massive data breach, cyber insurance provides support by covering financial losses and guiding the business through recovery. Fundamentally, this insurance bridges the gap where traditional policies like general liability or property insurance fall short. Cyber insurance is not about physical assets. It's about safeguarding digital assets and the operational integrity of a company in the face of an evolving threat landscape. Imagine this scenario. A small retail store's payment systems are hacked, exposing customers' credit card information. Without cyber insurance, this business would bear the brunt of legal fees, customer notifications, and reputation management costs alone. Cyber insurance ensures that these costs are mitigated and resources are available to get the business back on its feet. As an insurance agent, you must highlight the tangible benefits of cyber insurance to help clients see its value. Here are some key points to address. Financial coverage. Cyber insurance covers the direct financial losses businesses face after a breach or attack. These include costs associated with data restoration, system repairs, or losses due to operational downtime. Expert support. Many policies include access to a network of professionals, IT experts, forensic analysts, and legal advisors, who navigate the complexities of addressing a cyber attack. Regulatory compliance. If a breach involves sensitive customer or employee data, there are almost always legal and regulatory consequences. Cyber insurance helps cover fines, penalties, and legal fees incurred due to non-compliance with data protection laws. Reputation management. After a breach, rebuilding customer trust is often one of the hardest challenges a company faces. Many cyber policies provide coverage for public relations expenses or campaigns to restore brand reputation. This support is invaluable in avoiding the long-term financial impacts of reputational damage. These benefits don't just safeguard a business's bottom line. They ensure continuity and stability after an otherwise destabilizing event. Clients may perceive cyber insurance as another expense they must justify. As their advisor, it's important to break down the true costs of going without coverage. Consider what happens to a business hit by a cyber attack that lacks insurance. Downtime and revenue loss. Systems may be offline for days, even weeks, halting revenue streams entirely. The longer it takes to recover, the harder it becomes to bounce back. Data breach costs. Regulatory fines, notification costs, credit monitoring programs, and legal expenses add up quickly after a breach involving sensitive data. Client trust erosion. Customers may lose confidence in a business that fails to protect their information. This can lead to customer churn, tarnished reputation, and reduced income. Long-term operational costs. Even after the initial crisis is resolved, affected businesses may face higher operational costs in cybersecurity upgrades or ongoing legal battles. By showing your clients these potential losses, you can help illustrate how a cyber insurance policy is not an excessive expense. It's a smart investment in their business's long-term health. When recommending cyber insurance, you might encounter concerns or objections from your clients. Common pushbacks include, "My business is too small to be targeted." Many small to mid-sized businesses mistakenly believe they're less likely to be attacked. However, cybercriminals often target smaller businesses precisely because their defenses are weaker compared to major corporations. "It's too expensive." The potential costs of not having cyber insurance far outweigh the premium of a policy. A well-structured cyber insurance plan is adjusted to meet the client's size, budget, and risk profile. I already have cybersecurity measures in place. Defensive tools like antivirus software and firewalls are critical, but they cannot guarantee 100% prevention against an attack. Cyber insurance complements these measures by offering a financial and operational cushion if those defenses are breached. By addressing these concerns with evidence and tailored advice, you can build your client's confidence in the value cyber insurance provides. Not every business has the same risk profile, and generic explanations may not resonate with all clients. To provide the best recommendations, insurance agents should assess industry-specific risks. Certain industries, such as healthcare, retail, or finance, face higher risks due to the types of sensitive data they handle. For example, the healthcare sector is particularly vulnerable to ransomware attacks targeting patient records. Highlighting these unique challenges makes it easier for clients to see the personal relevance of cyber insurance. Conduct risk assessments. Working with your clients to analyze potential vulnerabilities in their systems can be an eye-opening process. This assessment demonstrates why they might need coverage in the first place, while helping you present solutions that feel individualized. Present customized coverage plans. Align policy recommendations with the size of the business, the data they manage, and the likelihood of certain threats. Offering a customized solution signals that you understand their specific needs and aren't just making a blanket sales pitch. One of the most effective ways to educate your clients is by sharing relatable real-world examples. Real case studies enable clients to visualize the potential consequences of cyber attacks and understand how cyber insurance mitigates those risks. For example, a small accounting firm experienced a ransomware attack, locking them out of their client files for 2 weeks. Faced with operational downtime and a ransom demand they couldn't pay, cyber insurance helped them recover lost data, restore systems, and minimize financial losses. A clothing retailer suffered a data breach, exposing thousands of customer credit card details. Without cyber insurance, they would have struggled with legal defense fees, regulatory penalties, and a PR campaign to regain public trust. These stories resonate because they are grounded in practical, relatable scenarios that clients can see happening to their own businesses. Cyber insurance is not just about responding to individual incidents. It should be part of a broader risk management strategy. As an agent, you're in a position to educate your clients about how cyber insurance integrates with other tools, such as employee training, secure IT processes, and regular vulnerability assessments. When framed as part of a larger effort to safeguard their business, cyber insurance feels less like an isolated expense and more like an essential pillar of protection. By educating your clients about cyber insurance, you're not just selling a policy, you're positioning yourself as a partner in their business's success. This elevates your role from mere insurance salesperson to trusted advisor. As businesses face growing uncertainties in the digital age, they need experts who prioritize their long-term stability. Responding proactively to their cybersecurity concerns reinforces trust and strengthens your professional relationship with them. Cyber attacks aren't a distant possibility. They're a growing certainty in our interconnected world. Businesses can no longer afford to ignore the risk, and as their insurance agent, you have a critical role in guiding them to a more secure future. Encourage your clients to take action now. Waiting until after an attack to consider cyber insurance could cost them dearly in time, money, and trust. Highlight how an investment in cyber insurance ensures not just financial protection, but peace of mind as well. Close the conversation by emphasizing the importance of preparation over regret. Cyber insurance is not an optional extra. It's an integral part of protecting the businesses your clients have worked so hard to build. Let them see that safeguarding their digital assets is more than just worth the investment. It's the smart, responsible choice.